what I know is that with the Seth Osei issue, Coach Ogum admits Seth Osei dada.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
Where has he been?
Oko Israel. That's what I know. Yeah.
I'm banning, no.
Yes. Yes, 3 years.
So he has not played for 3 years.
Yes, but he's been cleared. Because from what I know, Seth was last week Tuesday and Wednesday in Yano GFA to get a document.
I'm banning for what?
Oh, that's good issue, no.
No, 3 years.
On any lamp
one quay no be. Say the lamp no.
From what I know, no.
Now say precedent.
He's been cleared. From what I know, he has gone. Yeah, he has gone for Okoefio to verify whether he's been cleared.
And Okoe, what is it?
Yes, he's been cleared. Yes, and but Kotoko, after approving whether they will sign him or not, will also write to the FA to get an official confirmation on his state. Namini say Israel.
No, Israel.
That's what I've
been. Na ban no na Ghana ngwa.
I don't know about me Kobo Israel.
I don't know. No more brain information. Say na my boy.
Me to on say. From the news I'm picking from FA on here say
only issues.
Yes, only issue. And I know the man me Kobo Israel. Yes. But Kotoko store.
Right. Israel no voting be.
Nye team kesi.
No, but Hapol Far Sabah.
Oh, okay. They just ended season.
Yeah, about 6 matches na more Monday.
Oh, Senior, he's been active.
Oh, 6 matches. Out of how many matches?
No, he's been active. At least the fact he trains with the club. He trains with the football club.
Before last season, you know. No, but actively in Egypt.
Oh, okay.
Any promotion before he left. Before he left to Israel.
So he'll be observed before he'll be signed.
Okay.
That's what I know. Say he'll be observed before he'll be signed. But also recommendation, my best of knowledge, I said now on can list because the coach in himself me available to play for Kotoko.
Okay, but the coach admits him.
Yes, the coach admitted to some of
immediately he becomes part of the plans because Oma fi na be observe Oma unimomo obi a unim na open the board that day.
The issue is initially conversation not on can list how it happened is that on the last week story about say Chitafo ni because she a coach to know reasons behind the whole sacking. And one suggested so set free. That was when they were talking about Lamte. I'm not really on him because when him said boy in a band, I don't know Debbie boy any free. And also okay, a player wild man time or back Kotoko first. And I don't know whether also can say Nanko Hiano and Kofanembra. That was the time of back Kotoko. But I knew to this time if the boy is free there to prevent fatal Safiu issue from happening again. Whether or admire or not, come and train for them to see at least your fitness level, your injury level before officially on best sign because I'm on best situation you have a fair player no about because we no. That is why any automatic signing as at any.
Okay.
So you'll be in Kumasi roughly by China and I say be a Wednesday.
Okay.
Then the rest will follow.
Okay. And then say yeah, we are addressing chairs here. This is yeah, men kasa. Okay, Zach.
So.
It will be your turn soon. Now our comment. Any day, the best can be asked. Why? So Wadaruma.
So
senior.
On my name say on Rocky Jamna issues no. There's one. The boy was say not offering a funny saying Pokunti team no carries. But I'm told say after for some time now I say one Pokunti ties a tracker
boy
no it's wow new Rocky Janabiano is a mass and Ghazali is the sports a mass.
This is the only of you.
Why?
Only Agmas. Ghazali.
The Ghazali is there, right?
My name's only Chroma.
The Ghazali is there. Or a mass was the boy near you. So, it's what we have been told officially. They say Ghazali is not like officially the manager of Rocky
What is the
Dramana.
meaning of that?
Rocky Dramana.
Officially.
And say
He's not officially.
He's not the manager.
Officially,
Officially no.
He is or he's not.
No, he's not the manager of the boy. The only ties or what the boy is as the captain of the school team. And he there be a manager boy no. Just or relationship with the boy because or a captain of the school team. And
I'm saying you want to pass we have 5 euros. So mama says you on jam na fe.
Okay, sir.
Then we go to the euros and come back.
So young apostles for no every Rocky Jamina through Coach Ghazali because the way can or no relationship because by the teacher da and Asante Kotoko be the coach and for that on the but Tama Rocky Jamina Kotoko nanye one your friends say Ghazali any IBS manager or a College Academy no koye eti omde koye no by virtue of the Kotoko no terminate contract am boy na a free player so College Academy any IBS the boy no is yeah but just what can I say the boy you know ne papa who's that the boy is still below 18 years or so any player is below 18 years ne papa any influence one you eti some ko ba say young apostles for started say person player no Coach Ghazali advice also omo hwa de kakra no omu ya say go media no say omo assign no but the father of the player has vehemently denied say the boy has not signed any contract with young apostles.
Okay.
As you know stories now making rounds no. So any other player no assign any contract with young apostle but omo koye inquiry say kombenya na and I think some people
so let's do a bit of the euros.
So that's the year.
Say o my na fe ye na answer na do umuvu kakra